So we're trying to do like a game that we're going to play, which is Never Have I Ever. I have some chili guava shots here, which थोड़ा तड़का मारा हुआ है, तो आप समझ लीजिए कि क्या डाला है मैंने इसमें. తెలుగులో చెప్తామా?
అవసరం లేదు. బాగా
చెప్పానా? Okay. Let's start with the first question. Never have I ever tried to cut my own hair.
Every girl does that.
Why did you do that? When was this?
So, when the fringe was in fashion, I always try to cut my hair, especially when this grows back. No, you can't go to a salon and ask them to just cut this one and they'll still charge you 200 and 300. I'm like, I will cut it myself, no, అని చెప్పి ఇలా పట్టుకొని ఇలా కట్ చేశాను అనమాట. కానీ నాకు అప్పుడు ఏం తెలియదు అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ వరకు కట్ చేసాను అనుకో అది ఇంకా పైకి వెళ్ళిపోద్ది అనమాట. స్ట్రైట్ చేస్తే తప్ప అది నార్మల్ గా ఉండదు. సో అండ్ స్ట్రైట్ చేస్తేనేమో ఇలా అతుక్కొని ఉంది. సో గాడ్.
So never have I ever injured myself while trying to impress a girl or a boy that I was interested in.
These all are so boring. I've asked the same things to so many people.
Have you done it or not now?
I haven't.
You never liked the boy and not done something funny and that you never got injured?
No.
Now have you guys? What do you think? Yes, no?
I take care of myself. Before I fall in love with somebody, I fall in love with myself and then I take care of myself.
That expression is down. Cool. Okay, cool. Never have I ever broken something at a friend's house and then not told them?
Not friend's house, but then once Archie store lo. Oh yeah.
Okay. I've done that.
Everybody does this by mistake. కానీ అది ఆల్రెడీ పగిలిపోయి ఉందని చెప్పాను.
వాళ్ళు కనుక్కునేస్తున్నారా? Never have I ever stalked a crush's Instagram profile and accidentally hit like or double tapped on a post that was quite old. Embarrassing.
I have not done this on my crush's profile.
Okay.
I have done this on my friend's crush's profile.
So you're trying to make sure whether that's a good guy or not. You're trying to be
no, you know, I did. That guy got married, and then we went and liked the girl's picture. The crush was getting married, and then we went and liked her picture.
But that guy would have been thinking, no, like, what is happening?
No, and then we quickly unliked it.
But it converts into the notification.
That was Leo Madhulu Ellandappuda.
Never have I ever taken food out of a trash can and eaten it.
Never.
Some people do. Don't give us that.
You did that? Then why don't you drink?
Okay, I have done.
No, wait. Finish your earlier shot.
She's counting.
Yeah.
And then they have the other one.
My kodukulo. This fellow, guys, let me introduce Bailey to all of you. You know Bailey, but then he loves food so much and then he's always trying to sniff things around and this is not a good idea.
Do you want some?
No! He doesn't want it. Yeah.
Okay. Never have I ever yelled or gotten mad at the cab driver due to traffic delays. Sometimes when you're in a bad mood.
I always yell at the cab drivers. I'm like Deepika Padukone in Piku. If I...
You also have some. Okay. You're not finished that one. Never have I ever spent more money for the popcorn than the movie ticket.
Everybody does that.
Every fucking one does.
Everybody does that. That's why I stuff my face and then I go there. So that I don't eat popcorn.
Don't eat that crap.
But then I have, of course.
Yeah, so
please. You're going to refill these or what?
Yeah, we're going to keep refilling it. It's not bad. And I've stopped. You know what? I actually now appreciate. Na gurinchi koncham boothal tittandi. It's at least better than having no comments, you know. This one, everybody is done, but I don't want to really consider it. Hit the snooze button for 5. Let's not even do that. Never have I ever completely forgot my lines in a play or presentation or during shoot.
Oh, I have.
I don't never have a script at all first. That's why my people, editors, everyone hate me because there's no script. I talk anything and everything.
Even I don't have a script, but I'm not saying I didn't forget in my. You know what I realized? Yeah. You and I go to the same sites to get these questions. I have the same exact question.
No, then I have my original questions. Okay, I got my original question. Never have I ever had the hots for my best friend's boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay.
That's possible. That's very much possible.
This is a little more diluted. Okay. Never have I ever, this is not possible for women I think, peed on in a bottle. Have you ever peed in a bottle?
How, dude? How do you expect me?
There's actually a funnel now that
I have seen them, but then I haven't used it.
You haven't?
No. Oh yeah, there is a pee story. Do you want me to say it?
Yeah, I want you to say the pee story.
So what happened? My mother and I were traveling in a bus from Bombay to Hyderabad.
Okay.
And then it stopped somewhere near Gachibowli, but then that ORR ke paas, too many trees are there. And then you don't know that you are in Hyderabad, right? So I thought you are still in the outskirts. And then few people actually got dropped there. And then people were collecting their luggage. I said, "Bhaiya, 2 minutes." And then I went behind the bushes.
Yeah.
And then by the time I came back, the bus left. I could see the bus move. I'm like, what is my mother doing inside, not stopping the stupid bus? And then I ran behind the bus. After being, I was literally running when Roko chanting. And then one man comes, bus, you? Yeah, bus అని చెప్పిన వాడికి ఏమర్థమైంది వాడు వెళ్ళి కొద్దిగా ట్రై చేశాడు అప్పటికి బస్ ఆపిన తర్వాత మా అమ్మ బయటికి వచ్చి ఏంది నువ్వు ఎక్కలేదా అంట మమ్మీ do you think I would take so long to get inside?
This is like fart joke. Never have I ever silently farted and gotten away with it.
Never silently.
That must have been weird.
Yeah, actually I think I want to do an episode on this. My farts are scared of the public.
Okay.
So they don't come out when there are too many people. They are scared. They are like peeping. Can I come out? Can I not come out? I'm like, I say, it's okay, beta, come out. No.
No.
I don't want to come out.
Never have I ever used old smelly socks for days in a row.
I have.
We've all done that here.
It's very difficult. సాక్స్ ఇంత చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి ఆ ఒక్కటి వాషింగ్ మెషిన్ ఎవడేస్తాడు మళ్ళీ వచ్చిన వెంటనే మనం అలా పాడేస్తాం ఎక్కడో దగ్గర నానా యూ కెనాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు గెట్ టు ద లీగల్ ఏజ్ యు నో
దానికి కూడా లీగల్ ఏజ్ ఉంటుంది హౌ ఓల్డ్ ఇస్ హి
6 months old
never have I ever gone commando. You know what that means?
I don't know.
Not worn underwear with no underwear on to work or school. Reasons could be anything. I don't know what. Never have I ever. Huh?
I won't say.
You won't say. That means she has.
I won't say.
You don't have to say.
No comments.
You don't have to say. Just drink it.
Yeah.
We've all done it. थोड़ा चढ़ रहा है नहीं?
हाँ. इसलिए थोड़ा पी रहा है.
Snooped. This. Never have I ever snooped through a friend's bathroom or bedroom without them knowing.
What is snooped?
But తెలియకుండా చూస్తున్నావు ఇట్లా.
No, not my friends, but then once I was staying at my ex-boyfriend's place, his mother and father were not there, of course. And then so I had gone for like a night out, a group of friends, and then I was just looking through the mother's cup.
Just drink it, girl. Just drink it. I always do it. Never have I ever spoken with a friend about their relationship and heard too much information from them. Too much. Like way too much. That was nothing.
Never have I ever told people I am busy. Only to ignore them.
We are both going for it. That's it. We're done.
Yes, we're done.
So glad we could do it. Been following up you for quite some time, you know.
Yeah, I know. I'm so sorry.
No, you don't have to. You're a busy girl.
And then today probably I cancelled like twice. So yeah.
Can I get up? Oh God.
Bye.